Hey everyone, in this quick and easy tutorial, I'll show you how to fix FPS drops, stuttering, and boost your FPS in League of Legends. Before we do get into this video, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel with all notifications on, and if you do have questions during the video, make sure to comment down in the comment section down below and I'll answer them for you. First, make sure your graphics drivers are up to date to the latest version. This can improve performance and fix compatibility issues. To do that, go ahead and go to your desktop right over here, right click on it, and then click on device managers right over here. Hover over to display adapters, right click on your GPU, and click on update driver. Search for automatically for drivers, and most likely it will say your GPU has already installed the best driver, but that is not really the case sometimes. So go ahead and close that out, go to your tray over here, click on your NVIDIA, and open up NVIDIA app. Wait for the NVIDIA app to load, and it should look something like this. Over here, go ahead and click on drivers, and mostly on the top side, you should see the most and latest GPU driver for you. So go ahead and click on download right over here, and then do the installation process. Once done, go ahead and restart your PC right over here, and your GPU should be updated, and the League of Legends should be smoother than before. Next, open League of Legends and head to the video settings menu. As you can see here, I made the demographic right over here. So these are the most steps right over here. Let's go ahead and follow all of these. But currently, we are on the graphics quality. So I'd rather test out all of the graphics quality. So for me, go ahead and turn everything on low or off and full screen as well for better performance and less lag. Sometimes it reduces the input lag as well. And make sure to cap your FPS to 120 or even 60 FPS if you're using a lower end PC. Before launching the game though, close unnecessary background applications like Chrome, Discord, OBS, or any overlays that use system resources. A quick thing though as well is turning on Windows game mode. To do that, just go ahead and type in on your Windows menu, Windows game mode, or just game mode itself right over here. Click on game mode and make sure this is turned on. Windows optimizes your PC for play. And by the way, if you are on the screen, make sure to click on graphics settings as well and click on hardware accelerated GPU scheduling for better gaming experience. And if you're still experiencing lag or not really smooth gameplay in League of Legends, I'd recommend doing graphics performance preference so your League of Legends is on priority. As for me, look at Valorant right over here. It is currently on a high performance. So go ahead and click on browse and find your executable file for your League of Legends. So for me, this is Valorant right over here. It should be the same one. As you can see, the type is application and the League of Legends executable file should be the same. So go ahead and click on add. As for me, it is currently added. So once it is over here, click on options and click on high performance. Click save, and it has to be the priority of your PC. Basically, that is all for this video, but make sure to turn everything on. If you are on a laptop, click power options and then high performance. And by the way, if you are currently on a Riot client, just go ahead and go to your top right, click on settings, scroll down, and repair game files over here to fix any corrupted files that might be affecting the lag of your game. But anyways guys, that will be all for this video. If you do want to go ahead and take a screenshot of this, just go ahead and do that and follow these steps. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Peace.